Kwabna me da asema me fa kwanya so ntia wo na etifo no mo hwe on Facebook na me ntia ndisi 43 o magibra o muti edwumadi me ba na me follow program no na emze menua pani na Jonathan na o enom ni bi o me hu ni se o mpese obehite straight. You see, the reason why same way Untimi President Akufo-Addo in film has been an incompetent person. And he said, when you are elected president, constitution who say we nipa ba ko pe. Enti Untimi enko head ECG, Untimi enko head energy ministry, Untimi enko head sa ministries ni nyina at a go. Enti in the wisdom of the framers of the constitution, you see amount of power say, ye Jonathan say, me Jonathan na me ne background or me policy and my vision when it comes to energy no or a fit to bet me carrying out into my appointing as the energy minister na to energy won sem fama me. So you are there acting in the name any be of the president. So the president's ability to cite a competent person to man the ministry also is very key. And nothing that constitution man to me say and that's what you bet me say wapamo because every day or free what say yen onye and nothing that president Mahama time no even though now on control electricity pool but yeah the blame no man because managing director for ECG an appointee energy minister an appointee so what I say and his ability to get people who can really deliver and do the job and nothing they blame me say Omampani that Mahama was incompetent because he was unable to fix the doing so. He was. And the President Akufo-Addo free because apart from the reason we have mediator one on Okaya, you see, and blame Jonathan Bibri. The records available. Our energy ministry one Ghana say your consumption when it comes to power grows by 12% annually, which is about 250 megawatts yearly. President Akufo-Addo buy on record, the minister Ajatum said they've not added a single megawatt. We are in the 5th year, so do your own calculation. Now deficit ayena. We are come over 1,000 megawatts deficit. Say, oh, funny say we are in the 5th year there because we are in the first quarter and I'm a person meteso kakran. But for 5th year near calculation, I about 1,250 megawatts. And yenya sa deficit no. Enti sa doom so problem we ayakom no. Me enyam nwanwa o. Enyam nwanwa ba kokra because obaye no ono ani minister Ajatum say omo fankane ani bibia nka ho. Enti tell you now so wutirem no population no grow. And you know something, population growth is not just investment but population growth can affecting power consumption. Because ebia wo ono yire no ma first na bia mo yetu pe. Ene keto na ba be ka ho. Oko school ata obeto natare. Enti the rate at Twitter ube use power no. As and when our family grow bigger no ekosoro. Because omo beto omo ntare kra doso. Say dey make what you say. Ena unless you obi person argue say bia economy no the growth now is static enya dey enyini because yeti way ene obi akobo container obe connect power say bia or the ton ninsu and or provision shop it adds to the consumption your investors are mobile day in day out or musu be abai now mu ka so be 1.153 if indeed so deliver I was abai who say the consumption will increase. Eti bana enfie num ye mfa ba kokora nka won kwabna. It is expected say ye be wura sa situation we mu. Now let me tell you say nya aduma o mampani Mahama ye ya. Aka enye dum so. Aka be ye dum kura. Aka be da esum ka bisi mu. Because in uhe records now in 2015.
Yeah.
Now ye peak. 1,800. As we speak, per Gridco's own figures. I should took 3,200. Meanwhile, no, when President Kufuor was leaving, now 1,089 megawatts. I don't know about 2 years, one ojaho. Some people claim say, or the generators be by are they onto the national grid. This is the official records from VLA, and you can just double check that on your laptop. Certain says no more buy no. VLA for records say and add anything to our
our national grid
because the late Sir John Cratchit.
Exactly, because we start strategic grid plant now $31 million under Rekubrobe. Yakofa buy now. VRA4 cry demonstration say second. I hope you remember. And as 80 megawatts, we know who claim say President Kufuor Edebeka hon. Nenye a binding initiative. It was a mining consortium.
That is Tico 1.
Yes, Omo no mu here power no.
Tico 1.
What you say? And Omo ake kampo mu. Edo musika ASI initiative.
Under Rollins.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So Tico 3 was under Kufuor.
Oh, Tico 3. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Tico 3.
So what you say? Entino, and on a mining consortium that they buy. So you came and met 1089. In 8 years, you left 1089. Maybe Mami, who defense be a right it? Who defense are right it?
Mine is general, and yet the plant. Continue polluting the
what I say continue polluting. When it comes to energy, MPP's record is very abysmal. It took President Rollins, the late Chairman Rollins, who at the time and they introduced thermal plants. Takrade thermal plants. So okay, check the history. First part on it, I rely on hydro. It's Chairman Rollins time no use hydro no. Climate look at me affecting no do a matana. No so no agree. I no who needs to control. Tonight they say yearly afibia obeko dum som. So far as you experience matana there, and you automatic so obeko dum som. So at the time, and all this Takrade thermal plants no. Eba said you best shifting from relying on hydro onto thermal now. A do say climate in Mwaya, they will rely on thermal plants no. And so on 15th November 2000, annual commission Takrade thermal plants. 15th November 2000, annual commission Takrade thermal plants. President Kufuor is over Adi Bibi Ayen Nankebehu, and yet I'm a software near Dom Kwakoso Mosom Kobon Pie. I don't care say voter Botayans and Konsungu Akoso Munina Enyama. Ah, Miss you both see coffee you say. No case power and 31st September, blah, September 31st in. I don't refiana. And Massacre Metrame to say a refi. Yen who doom so a comu under President Kufuor. One young Moshe, a power generators no they buy within the short term. Said a bear, Yebenya stability and Oja Okoye. Then the late Prof Baye said a wow canon, a Tuabu initiative. Your mama betwaso, your mama kofa America power. Obey Numa be bracer anyway. This one, Satema plans be a walk. Tema. And then our credit President for a retrofitting akosumu Emma ekosro. So what I say, and no saka person can be retrofitting and no akosumu na wo dada na no. And o my ekoti mu ni ade ye nyuma ga kra bi wom na power ne kakra be kan ho. Then maybe he wants to talk about Bui. Bui was commissioned by under Professor Mills. Even though it has started under President Kufuor. But you see, the reason why they cannot
even for Kufuor to have that vision, no, I mean, it's
but the mama shooting it down, they say. So UP tradition way. And I bet is that process, no, a delay for more than 50 years. And then UP tradition way, no one to go and check the records when the initiative of Bui started. And no move to Nkrumah to go ya, some process in the hotel. I say take you or one, I say buy our mobile more, ever down more, Quanta say, Sababe.
At least Kufuor was able to correct the wrongs.
Well, you who can say, dear, no bayadu, so it was a wrong. It was a wrong. Say, yes, I'm wrong, no, okay, you read that, Kebian can and was a near Bekawa. So what you say, obey Bibi Kakra. And look like Professor Mills time the bar on stream. That is a fact. It was not added onto Professor Mills' time completely.
But by
oh, but the point was that was it added onto our national game?
It doesn't matter.
It matters. It matters. Because on say as I can you say President Kufuor by no not ye power you know saying 1089. All free so no the bia ka ho kwabra what ma say. No ye ho adwuma but na me can grade me ho and we are dealing with facts. So it was when Professor Mills commissioned it, and I became national grade now. And at the time of Buyaka bar onto the national grade no was under Professor Mills. Yes, I'll credit President Kufuor for initiating the project.
For initiating and finishing it.
Saka.
Dear Professor Mills
Saka. Sana wote.
Forget about what you are saying.
Look,
who can say you can sit here and just
look,
talk
anyhow?
If what was Professor Mills' contribution?
It's
not fair.
Professor Mills.
Saka or a hypocrite. I can't be no appointment. KTC Defense War Project. You started feasibility in 1995. Ye who sika exim 98 million euros under Chama Rawlings in 1999. President Kufuor yadi who sika ye who bibia obeye no na ni MPP for book of achievement mu. Kwabena me busa na ni o book of achievement mu. Na no other na one credit Chama Rawlings say onu na initiate yadi who sika to wansa na ofri aban mu. You see, MPP clearly, they demonstrate said they are just a bunch of hypocrites. What kind of double standards is this? Who buy your Biaji who's the Kaya who do my the other book of achievement? Even recently, Ubeso says Sakamu Nachuma. Kajetia, yes, starting here, I'm sure you're 2-4 project. I'm buy on the boss who ye no, Nessa or Mutra can also say Nanadonai. They are so shameless. I'm cast of Munkwan Nipa. And it brings me back to the point saying now Oka said Napoya reckless. He's being reckless because of Ghana for seeing
I'm not saying it. Ghana for the raising.
Of course, but not mean I say only any cause to say that I want to give him a cause. Yet the chroma. Say you so we say Jimmy na ye nyansa and ye toddlers who chrome her. How can you tell us say the AC and ye doom so we should not call it doom so? Abra mean yet here like equal offer enumye. Enumye. Eswa kwabra ensoe. Aha, doom so no. Eye vocabulary bia e what dictionary mu ana. Enye ya na yato ni din say doom a na eso a na afra ni doom so. Ento unless na po e wo different word. Unless na po feel say ba bia owo no ye yente ase no ya say nkola afa ni yawo yen. E no be ba be ka tell say de ekoso no nye doom so Bugana fo a. So it was a very reckless statement. Ebi na sakati a oyi. MPP fo mu ehu omu so ma chichiri wiase nyansa de asie. Enti di omu nim no adekro no kitabi kura obetuma ka tell say nye no a. Sana sakati a oyi. Na mami samra back. MPP fo na agitum say omampani Mahama so budum so. Ansa no ofia konya so. Why do I say so? Call presidency.gov.gh. President Kufuor atu na num tuo. Se Ghana ye export power ko Burkina Togo. Meboa.
Yeah.
Meboa. Nyesa ka mo na beka se Mahama e de power na ba ma na broso. Ama se bi wo kra hu hia ye boka kwa. Nyesa. Na se that is service and admission say Mahama so budum so na broso ama ye wo excess capacity ana kwabna meboa de we nya science o. Omo anu asem se Mahama ne de power na ba ma abroso. Nyesa na omo kan. Enti na say ya so budum so na ma na broso. Enti sa wo hwe the peak in 2015 of 1,800 and now 2021 sa 3,200 na. Nka se Mahama o ye ma ne broso dia minua kwabna anka ye da esum kabisi mu. And for the records aban we so adia tum from buy no omo fa one kra nya den enka ho. Enti eye sa na asem ye den etie. So
a financial problem, or it's just they are clueless? What is it? Because already we have thermal plants. Unlike Mahama time, no, the thermal plants we have today, now Mahama any. So yes, the difficulties. Now we have the thermal plants. We have the Ghana gas at Toabo. I mean, there are
as energy sector level now they buy na a boy me to legacy debt. Need to meet your IPPs na very money yimuka. Energy sector level minia. Ye dia kosia wo akọ this kana be di dada. Enti sa tax na say ye tuya no. Sika ne maga na ho bio.
really.
Oh yes. Enti say get fund I dey ko dey sa 1.5 billion no. Enti get fund sa to na ye tuya no. Eko omo a ye de omo ka ne ho. Kopem say betete. Ena sika no so ye de awie. Na ban we minim se besia bo no. Say om ko dey sika no omo de begu da asem mu e de spices ni tomato gu hu no awie asaka. Sika no mo de ye den. Saka me. So odine wa
say Amoabense or court or someone could injunction on the government say mo nko borobio.
Well, yeah. Because unim
why name
Citizen Kofi.
Who is that?
Citizen Kofi.
One no.
Why microphone back.
Kofi
on chair on the party Monty on name citizen.
It's a citizen Kofi in chair with the party.
Una won't chair party.
Sir.
So enti kwabra question na obusa no eye incompetence and sikasem and again akabom because as I explained earlier no annually no you grow by 250 megawatts which the government is aware me matekura say na po deputy ejapamesa atena sempaka meaning say they have been briefed and say what now I am hwehan na deficit be 1200 aba in 5 years elekem we enya incompetence dey be kwabna because you know the thing one kata wa beka say your annual consumption growth no 12% which is 250 megawatts 5 years ni wa wo se unfa abako kranka ho na je say one na create deficit ama ya wuram enti say nyese mahama ye ma ne bro so a Jonathan wa tiase no na abe augmenti abesem de bro so na abe augmenti abesem a aka dum so na your original base think a data Accra be call off 1 week na afi Ashanti region so light the Ashanti region so call off 1 week na Eastern region abenya light sana kabeye esum kabisi kanya de I so what you say enti asem and my mini Jonathan really issues about technocrats government no our reporting system enti say we minister now to na obi ewo ho no a technocrat na was sabotage wa there na e okay under Mahama time ehun say technocrats be hard na Kumasi ECG for boss kwabna kai ye yi na dia untumi mu ne koye meeting so kai ye yi ni fi ho enti say technocrats the government should fix them and government no intelligence system enti say you competent you don't need to complain about the technocrats. What you say? Enti clearly no about where you hopelessly incompetent. Enti situation you wrong right? Say almost so mba to electricity ni. Kwabna said they now only bakers in the income. Said the normal boy din kwabna. Kwabna me say said the normal boy din kwabna. Wouldn't say 14.5 kilo empty cylinder na ye ton. And 150 something. And a ton over 240 something. I'm telling you, Opa say me kasa wa crave me is live everywhere. Etom sa gas krona 14.5 now na failing around 70 something no. And then Opa say eye ma etom over 100 Ghana cedis. Enti o say breakers in catch say esam no omo be ko bia yatum. Enti one way a pan no. Ube hu say a square say but ube boom no to kura dem no. To kura dem no hwinim.
Really?
Sana ebe kwa akoba na saka de o wa ban mu enti say no wo beji mic wo be defend Akufo-Addo atiefo ma mu ntie no oni choice bia because one defend Akufo-Addo ebe yi na
no but I think
so